It's the Hobbywing Fusion 1800 kV motor. Just doing some low speed test here. Still got a little bit of punch when you need it. It's icy here, but let's see what this thing does on the hill. Nice and controlled on the way down. Definitely upgraded the servo to a 25 kg Power HD servo running at 6 volts, so it's more like 22, 23 kilograms. It does very well on that. There we go. Some lights happening here. And, yeah, just doing some tests on the low speed crawl on the track system here with the new motor to see how this does. And tracks are like magnets, man. It's amazing how well they keep the rig planted. I think this is pretty much all I need to do to this rig right now. I might throw an interior in just for the lulls, but other than that, very happy with the Traxx. It's about half throttle. I've also reduced the reverse speed to 25%. It doesn't need to go backwards really fast, really. Did not limit the forward speed. Fusion is handling these tracks pretty good. Definitely a lot quieter. Sounds like a little diesel now. A little bit quicker than it was, not by much. Definitely quicker than walking speed that the stock system was. So that's not bad. Yeah, not terrible. Definitely not crazy fast. It's not blowing off the tracks. Nice play there. I'll throw some studs in the tracks. I don't know. We'll see. This is going to be my my winter ripper. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. Neighbors are looking at me like I'm crazy. I want to kind of gun this as much as possible so I can check motor temps. I mean, it's running in the snow, so I can't see it being too warm. And that's just full gun. Need to work on the trims on the radio system a bit. Got the Traxxas Bluetooth link, and makes fixing little minor things pretty easy here. No blink codes. Hate those blink codes. But yeah, I think really just an interior probably is the only thing left to do really. Just takes that weird angle and just dumps it right over. That is not bad. Wow. Yep. She's a ripper. A lot of people are saying you don't use a brushless on the track system because it's going to explode the everything and fires, or I mean lightning will come shooting out of the everything, but I mean it's application specific. I mean you can't just paint all brushless motors with the same brush, so to say. You know, you got to select the right one and think about what you're doing first. You know, like I picked this one because it's an 1800 kV motor, and you know it's pretty much stock wheel speed. I'm not overly concerned with blowing the tracks off with this thing. It also has a higher amperage range than the stock ESC and motor. So I mean, what's the problem here? As long as you're not gooning it and you're driving it, you know, like properly. I mean, it's not meant to. I didn't mean to turn this into a basher and make this do like 60 kilometers an hour. I mean, you're well, go ahead if you want to. You're dollars. Who am I to say you shouldn't? You know, like this is it's part of the hobby. Experiment, have fun, play with it, enjoy it. That's what it comes down to, really. You're supposed to have fun with this. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this little guy. The ice is pretty funny. Yeah. Little tracks burnout on the ice there. But I don't see the tracks bouncing or cogging. Even with quick punches. It's doing pretty good. It's probably a big of an amp shock on the ESC. Or sorry, on the oh, I guess on both ESC and the water. It's in one system, so I think this is going to be okay. Definitely a lot of mud up in there. Let's just take a stop here. Look at that. A little dirty. Yeah. That low speed control, though. Clean up my tracks there. A couple of them are not spinning. Yeah. Some mud. Just mud. Get some WD-40 on those. They ate some mud, it looked like. Ooh. There we go. Bring her in the house, give her a little wash, good to go. Ready for later. Alright, just wanted to do a little test run video here, upload it to YouTube, and see what we can do with this. I think this is pretty much it for this build, other than some cosmetic, maybe some scale things. Who knows, might do a like a shovel for the front. I do have a channel left over that I can use to raise and lower a shovel. Maybe I can use that to clear the driveway this winter. These tracks on. Put some chains on the tracks. Just kidding. But have a good day, guys. Take it easy. Just cleaning off the tires.